Well, I'm usually not a fan of these canyons, but this look good. Sun probably not helping and stuff, but hopefully I can do some good. Probably see it again because it's about to get detailed, so I have one in the inside of it, so I'll probably have a different video for this one. This thing look good with this lift kit. Then it's got the fuel wheels on it, black. I don't know how big the lift kit is. Got the tinted windows. What's up, G-Man? That's nice. Hold on. I don't know if this is mine. It might be.
Deposit slip?
Oh, yep, that's mine. Hopefully I didn't get that on camera. But yeah, anywho, yeah. And of course he got to take all that off and all that good stuff. Yeah, I like this truck. And I think it's the 6-foot bed it's got on here, if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, with this lift and those wheels, make this truck look good. It don't do no justice. But anyway, and that truck can be found at Kevin Grover Buick GMC. What's up, Clay?
What's up?
I was looking at that Canyon.
This music you can't get copyrighted on.
You can't? Okay.
All it is advertising.
Well, I ain't doing my YouTube yet, so we're good.
He would just take it as advertising.
Huh?
He'd take it as advertising.
Who would? This guy?
Yeah, this is my buddy.
Okay. So that's good. What are you doing?
Putting a fresh coat of wax on this thing.
Yes, sir. Yeah, I'm trying to work on some YouTube and so I can put my videos on there. What's going on? Is your deal not working or is it working? Huh? Oh, dang, I'm sitting there holding the camera wrong. My bad. Hold on. Let me see. Okay, I still got time. There you go. You already got the inside cleaned up? Cool. Now you applying that, right?
Yeah.
What type of wax is that? Okay.
It's a nano spray wax.
A nano spray wax. I think we said that before in some videos. But it's still good to ask, because just in case somebody want to know. Nano wax. And then this is the tool that he's using. Ain't this like the waffle pad or something like that?
Man, those
Yeah.
things are fun.
Yeah, that's nice.
They separate really easy.
Right? Let me see. Let me show him. Yeah, that's awesome. Get your ride looking good with that. I'm gonna check out the inside. Oh yeah, he got this looking right. Got the cloth inside. Oh yeah. This is way better than doing them farm trucks, like you said. I said it's probably better than doing all them farm trucks.
Oh, man.
You hear me? That thing's clean. I love this color. It's one of my favorite colors. Oklahoma edition F-150. This is where you can find this truck or any other vehicles that we show, unless it's personal stuff. So, yeah. Yeah, that's nice. So your buddy, where is he from?
Over there in Fort Gibson.
Fort Gibson, that's his music? That's awesome. Oh, I ain't got to worry about copyright. Yeah, that's nice. You got the wheels looking good and everything. Yeah, that's nice. The chrome. This will make a good truck for somebody. Definitely. Hey, this need to be yours. Yeah, go ahead, go ahead. Hey, all you gotta do is go sign them papers.
I need a bigger truck.
You need a bigger truck? You need a 2500.
Yeah.
I'm ready to do that video on that, what is it, 2020? That black and white truck, Domino 2.0? Yeah, I'm ready to do one on that. He probably said it's clean enough and put it on the lot.
Yeah.
If he did, I'm gonna go get it. I'm still gonna go get it. So hopefully I'll be doing a video on that. But yeah. Donnie made a cup for my mom. Did he tell you about that?
Donnie did?
Yeah.
He made one for my wife too.
Yeah, so, and I'm coming up with mine. I want to do like something with It's My Thighs or something like, I need to come up with something that represents my stuff. So that's kind of what I'm doing. Because he's wanting to do like a collab. Like he said, hey, let's go on live or whatever. I'm like, yeah, I'll do that. You know, I'll talk. When I get comfortable, hey, it's over. It's over. And I'm starting to get comfortable with talking and this and that. I feel like I should show my face more, but it's all right right now.
Yeah, who's my thighs?
Like, who is this? I think we talked about that before too. But yeah. Oh yeah, look at this. It's got the spray in bed liner in that thing. Can I open the tailgate? Yeah, got the spray in bed liner in there. You can just put your stuff in there and go. Yeah. I like that. This color, I love this color. It's nice.
Yeah.
I don't even know if you can really see it, but yeah, them pearls or metallics, whatever, it looks good. Yep. If you guys looking for a truck or somebody looking for a truck, need to send them this way. Yep. Definitely nice truck. But alright, I'm gonna cut this video off. I gotta go back to work. Alrighty. Alright, Clay, where can I reach you before I cut this off?
Instagram, you can reach me at KC_detail_. Hop on over to Facebook and get me there at KC Detail.
You can, and he accept food stamps, WIC, prepaid gift cards. Nah, I'm just kidding. I'll see you guys.